Your attitude will determine your altitude. I do believe that.
That's a Zig Ziglar.
I do.
I love
believe
Zig.
that.
Okay, very good.
And I do need to work on the things that I say. I hate those.
Yeah, watch your words.
Pointed out really a lot of good tips that that everybody can use.
Kind of choose and do what I want instead of go by competition and really expand my horizon as a business owner. So I'm gonna go home and kind of check out the profit and loss statements and see where we're at from there.
Start driving around with my guys.
What do you think of that? Being more involved.
Getting the whole team involved in it.
So are you someone who just keeps your cards close to your chest? One thing you're gonna do.
I'm gonna charge more.
Yay!
Become rich.
I like the idea of getting the employees more involved.
That's interesting because your husband said the same thing. This is good. You guys are on the same page.